I'm 19.
That's it. You stay with me. I'm revoking your bond.
Make an exception to tell somebody to bring my grandma because she doesn't know how to drive, and I drove her up here.
Where's your grandmother?
She's up. And Louis Deli, it's like a restaurant from here. I just left her parked there. She doesn't know how to drive.
You just left your grandma in the car?
Yeah, because
Okay, wait, did she just say she left her grandma parked outside a restaurant alone so she could show up in court? That's not just bold, that's borderline cinematic. Like Fast and Grandma's courtroom drift. But also this shows the chaotic pressure she's under, just trying to stay in compliance. Buckle up.
I needed to get up here. She was my only way to get here.
Is she in approaching the cafeteria? GED that you wanted her program to get into? She's in the process of enrolling, which is probably not what court wanted to hear. But
Where's she? Come up, ma'am.
transportation and some living situation issues right now.
Let's find out. What are you doing with your life, man?
What am I doing with my life? Right now, I'm currently getting stable at the house. I just recently moved house with my grandparents, but we switched locations from over there, Galleria, to over here, Aldi Westfield.
Still living with your grandparents.
Yes, I'm the only one that.
This is where the judge is peeling back her personal life. Living with elderly grandparents. No transportation, no job, and trying to be their caretaker. But remember, the court doesn't act great on effort. It judges on results. Sympathy only goes so far when conditions are being violated.
Lives with them. I'm the one that tries to help them out.
How old are they?
They are 65 and up.
They don't need help.
My grandma is.
Hey, what do you do? Are you working? Going to school?
I'm not working no more right now. I just recently left my job 2 weeks ago.
Why? I told you to get a job, not lose a job.
I already had a job when I had first seen you, but I left it because 40-minute drive. It's a 40-minute drive away. I don't have transportation right now.
So what have you been doing between now and then, in the last 2 weeks?
Well, I've been looking for a different job nearby, and I got an interview coming up on the 8th for Academy
Sending you for a drug and alcohol test now. What are you going to test positive for?
for THC.
Not going to go well for you, mister.
When the judge orders a drug test, it's not just routine, it's a trust test. Courts often use THC results to gauge compliance and mindset. But let's be real, saying I haven't not smoked since then, but it might still be in my system, is like saying I stopped speeding last week, but the ticket was from last month. Does that hold up? What do you think?
I should be there from the first time that we got arrested.
So you haven't smoked since the last time you've been arrested? Because I think she's saying it may be something still in her system from when she was here. I don't see the date.
I mean, from August?
That's what, 60 days?
Really? Really?
Yes, sir.
Sending you for a drug and alcohol test right now, Ms. Capatio. What I seem to think is happening is that you're not doing anything but smoking weed and doing nothing.
It's not
And
right.
that's not gonna, really? We'll see. I'm sending you for a drug test now. You must come right back and we'll see what happens. Hey, are you coming to hang out or what? Me too. Have fun.
Ms.
Come up,
Capatillo,
ma'am. What happened? For what?
THC, no alcohol, because we don't know the levels, but
How old is she? How old are you?
I'm 19.
That's it. You stay with me. I'm revoking your bond, man.
Make an exception.
Boom. Revoked? In court, that phrase hits like a gavel to the gut. It means she's staying in custody. But catch the emotional twist, her first thought is not herself. It's still about who's gonna drive grandma home. It's messy, heartbreaking, and legally irreversible in that moment.
To tell somebody to bring my grandma because she doesn't know how to drive, and I drove her up here.
where's your grandmother?
She's up. And Louis Deli, it's like a restaurant from here. I just left her parked there. She doesn't know how to drive.
You just left your grandma in the car?
Yeah, because I needed to get up here. She was my only way to get here.
Is she in a,
Does she have a license to drive? Do you even have a license to drive?
I don't, sir.
so your grandmother drove
It's
you?
like
or
one
you drove
thing
her?
after the other.
My grandma here.
Why'd you
I
bring
don't
her
have
here?
any transportation, sir. I had to.
You can't drive if you ain't got a license and insurance.
I was trying to provoke this. I was not trying to get arrested, sir.
Everything we asked you to do, you did the exact opposite.
Sir, I was working on it. I just need you to help me with this. I'm just asking you for like 1 more week, and I'll get it together. I haven't been smoking. That's just. I'm sorry. That's been there for now for a minute. I haven't smoked because I know I have court.
Yeah, I believe it.
The tests are gonna eventually show something else, and you're not gonna believe me.
I don't know what to
I
tell you,
can
Mr.
tell-
Slatter, but I mean, it's like, it's literally, it's one thing after the other. with
Hear
her.
me out, sir. Judge, can I speak to you?
You know what? I don't want to talk about the case, and you're really in enough hot water as it is. Because the problem is your grandmother probably doesn't have that many resources as is. So who do you have now that's going to pony up $10,000 to get you out? You stuck like Chuck now for the next couple months in custody. All I asked you to do.
The judge just dropped a $10,000 bond reality check. Translation, unless someone ponies up cash fast, she's stuck in jail. And guess what? Grandma probably cannot Uber this situation away. When your life choices pile up like this, even the court starts asking, who's really helping you anymore?
Was be clean and do something productive.
I can.
She goes with you. Oh, hey, Mr. Slider, what was her last name?
Capitilla,
Capitilla, that's right.
Page 6.
6.
Not only that, she bond forfeited how many times? I don't know what to do. I really don't.
I forgot what our grandmother has to do with. She has.
Because the problem is that like I can't let her drive home. She don't even get a license and insurance. So even if I let her out, I can't let her drive. Will you do me a favor? Will you ask her if grandmother has the ability to drive?
Drivers, or is there
Right.
someone else that can come here and drive her? I'll find out.
Please.
Thank you, Judge.
You'll get that, Judge. You don't want to smoke cigarettes.
Oh, hell no.
You'll get there.
Oh, I hope so. You know,
No doubt.
at
You
one-
don't smoke cigarettes to get there. Well, I think that's right. My mama didn't smoke neither, but he did. What do you know?
I know people who smoke packs of unfiltered cigarettes that live to 90.
Yeah.
That's not much. You know, I wanted to let you know that I'm bringing you out here because I feel really bad. But you've done nothing to help yourself. But smoke weed.
This judge is not just lecturing, he's practically pleading. He's outlining every chance she was given: jobs, rehab, court dates, and the only consistent thing she did: smoke weed. It's tragic because you can feel he wants to help, but she keeps writing her own detention slip. At some point, compassion runs out, and consequences take over.
You're driving without a license, and you continue to violate conditions of this court. You didn't show up like a week or two ago, you know? So it's one thing after the other. We are trying to do everything in our power